It's the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thank you, James. This is UFO soy sauce with Rayu, so it's spicy, Mayo, Mazesoba. Okay. So, I'm on a time crunch. So, here's the noodles. Drop those right in. Actually, we're gonna steep it so we can take it off the heat. Come on, get in there. You're gonna need 3 minutes. I know you're gonna need that 3 minutes. I ain't got a fork. Come on, get down on it. There you go. 3 minutes. 3. So yeah, it's Friday. I have a feeling I'm gonna try to find some way to go hunting for more pumpkin spice cup noodles this weekend. Yeah, I think I am. We're gonna see what happens. But I don't know. They might have them, they might not. I'm curious of other things that I can make with them. I've already made a ton of stuff. I probably shouldn't make more things. But what about like a chashu loaded pumpkin spice? That sounds pretty decent if you think about it. Pork belly and pumpkin spice. What about bacon pumpkin spice cup noodles? Ooh. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see. It'll either work or it won't. But I'm sure by the time this comes out, all that'll have come out, and you'd probably be at this point, good God, why? Can you leave the pumpkin spice alone at this point? And yeah, I will have. So, all is well. All is well. All is well. My wife's getting her booster tonight, and Miles got his first shot on Sunday. And so, yeah, it's crazy. Everybody's getting shots. Woo. I've gotten all my shots. I even got my flu shot. But yeah, it's fun. I don't know. I used to hate getting shots, and now I'm like, bring it on. Give me immunity. At least better immunity than not getting a shot or getting sick and then being weird. But anyways, not gonna get into that too much. It's funny, the whole argument that no, if you want to be okay, don't discuss politics and don't discuss religion. It's just like, boy, that shuts everything down. Oh. So they don't want to have the Christmas tree lighting this year because it might offend somebody. Like the city Christmas tree. It's like, I want to take people of all ethnicities, grind them all up, and stir it until everything is like a gray mush, and then divide them out and put them back into people. So, do you like this? Yes. Do you not like this? Yes. You know? That's what it feels like. It's like, let's get rid of individuality and wonderful things. And let's be worried about one person having a differing opinion. Can't offend anybody. Don't go out of your way to offend people, but gee. People will get offended. It's all right. There are things that really irritate me. So what? Generally, there's nothing I can do about it. Here's our sauce. I'm really hoping this aspect of what I'm doing here ends up being good. They're having their fun Friday morning tablet time out there right before school is about to start. These noodles are thicker. This reminds me of, oh God, what is it called? I can't even remember. I've been trying so many new Japanese things that all have like really unique names, and I can't remember. What is it called? God. Ah. Thick. Those are pretty good. Alright. Plate this sucker. Yeah. I don't know. I guess the people with the big mouths won. I find that just horrible. Okay, well, we'll make it go away. I don't know, there's stuff that's like horrible and should go away, but come on. Community stuff? And what sucks is that it's like, I consider myself extremely liberal, if you haven't figured that out yet. Now you know, but I just can't go along with that. It's no fun. It's not fair. We don't want people to feel othered. Well, you're making me feel othered. Let's add this mayonnaise. Spicy chili mayo, huh? Okay. I will try that momentarily. A little bit of this nice peppery pepper left. Ooh, that's hot. Hot spicy pepper. Ooh, no. God, what's his name? Justin Wilson. Long live Justin Wilson, the Cajun guy who did the cooking show. Look him up on YouTube. He's all, he's funny. What else was I gonna add here? A little bit of seed. Whoa! It's not even windy! Oh, we're gonna get that all day. Oh, we're gonna add an egg too. Wow. That was a pretty good brownout right there, or whatever you want to call that. Somewhere, ladies and gentlemen, in the distance, a power transformer just exploded. I guarantee you that. I guarantee. And yeah. If you're interested and in the wonderful Kenmore area, head on over to the Kenmore Power Outages group, where you can find other people complaining about issues having to do with the power grid around here. I'm your host, me, and I run the group. Well, there's not much to run. People just kind of like say, hey, the power's out here. Hey, the power's out here. Hey, the power's out here. And the power's out, and then they're like, yeah, it's all right. Don't worry, Banana Man. But I think that's how far it's going to go here. Hi, Miles. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm going to say hi to the nice people.
You want to say hi to the nice people?
Hi to the nice people.
There you go.
You can.
Say hi.
Hi, nice people.
Are they actually seeing you? Yeah, they're seeing you.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. We got to get ready for school.
Yes.
Let's let Rotato rip on a crazy Friday morning. Yeah. Oh yeah, so I gotta try the mayo out. Let's. It's like Kewpie with a little zing to it. Not extremely zingy, but pretty good. Anyway, thanks again to James from Lakeside, California for shooting these over. Totally appreciate you, man. He sends a lot of noodles, and a lot of these, ooh, that does have a hit. A lot of these stores around here, they're like, you know, they're like ponds, and I fish them out. So, like, okay, cool, new stuff. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I think we're over 1,300 of episodes of this stuff, so I'm in it for the long haul, baby. Yeah, have a good one. Bye.